Welcome, young adventurers, to a captivating journey through the enchanting world of birds. Today, we're setting out on a quest to discover the incredible diversity of these feathered wonders. Birds are like nature's artists, painting the sky with their colors and melodies. So, get ready to spread your wings of curiosity and let us dive into this fascinating exploration. As we begin our expedition, let us take a closer look at the marvelous array of bird species that grace our planet. Picture the majestic eagle, soaring high above the treetops with its keen eyesight and powerful wings. In contrast, the adorable penguins waddle across icy landscapes and glide gracefully through the sea. And don't forget the nimble hummingbirds, fluttering their wings so rapidly they seem to dance in mid-air. What sets birds apart from other creatures? Let us unlock the secrets of their remarkable features. Birds have beaks, each uniquely adapted to their preferred diet, some for cracking seeds, others for capturing insects on the wing. Feathers are a bird's finest attire, serving as insulation, camouflage, and even instruments for courtship dances. And how about those dazzling colors? Birds use them to attract mates or express their emotions, much like our own clothing choices. Now, let us observe the heartwarming tales of bird families. Just as your parents take care of you, bird parents work tirelessly to nurture their chicks. They craft intricate nests using twigs, leaves, and even their own feathers. Mama birds lay eggs, which they diligently incubate until adorable baby birds hatch. Both parents unite their efforts to feed and safeguard their little ones until they're brave enough to take their inaugural flight. Ah, the symphony of nature's chorus! Have you ever woken up to the cheerful songs of birds greeting the day? Each bird boasts its own unique melody, a delightful way of communicating with fellow feathered friends. Some birds, like the mimicking mockingbird, can imitate sounds they hear around them, a skill that's both entertaining and intriguing. Now, picture this, setting out on a grand adventure that spans continents and oceans. This is the awe-inspiring feat of migration, undertaken by birds like the resolute geese. They embark on an epic journey, flying thousands of miles to escape chilly winters and find warmer havens. It's a remarkable spectacle of endurance and navigation. Let us unveil some dazzling trivia. Did you know that the ostrich, although massive, cannot take to the skies, while the bee hummingbird is so petite it could perch on your fingertip? Birds possess hollow bones, making them light enough for flight, and their hearts pump with tremendous speed when they're airborne. And here's a mind-boggling tidbit. The wandering albatross boasts the longest wingspan of any bird. Imagine gliding through the air with wings that stretch over 11 feet. Our first stop is the mesmerizing realm of bird diversity. Picture the majestic falcon, diving from great heights to capture its prey with remarkable precision. Then there's the flamboyant peacock, flaunting its extravagant feathers in a dazzling display. And let us not overlook the agile swift, slicing through the sky with unmatched speed. From rainforests to deserts, birds have mastered the art of adaptation. Now, let us delve deeper into the magic of feathers. Did you know that some birds have waterproof feathers to keep them dry while swimming? Others use their feathers to create cozy nests for their young ones. And let us not forget the breathtaking plumage of birds of paradise, which seems like a work of art painted by Mother Nature herself. Just like your family, bird parents are devoted caregivers. They meticulously craft nests using materials from their surroundings, ensuring a safe haven for their precious eggs. Some birds even build intricately designed nests that are a marvel of engineering. As chicks hatch, the parents work tirelessly to provide nourishment and protection, teaching us the value of family bonds. Have you ever wondered why birds sing? These musical maestros use their songs to communicate, defend their territory, and serenade potential mates. Each species has its own unique tune, from the cheerful melodies of the robin to the haunting calls of the owl. So, next time you hear a bird's melody, remember it's their way of telling a story. Prepare to be amazed by the daring adventures of bird migrations. Picture flocks of graceful swans crossing vast distances to escape the cold, or the astonishing journey of the Arctic tern, which travels from pole to pole in search of warmer weather. These remarkable journeys teach us about resilience, adaptability, and the thrill of exploration. Time to reveal the ingenious architects of the bird world. Weaver birds intricately weave intricate nests from grass and twigs, some resembling delicate baskets hanging from trees. The bowerbird, on the other hand, creates elaborate bowers adorned with colorful trinkets to impress potential mates. These feathered architects inspire us to think creatively and appreciate the wonders of nature as designs. As our grand adventure nears its end, let us celebrate the astounding world of birds. They grace us with their beauty, serenade us with their songs, and remind us of the boundless diversity of life on Earth. The next time you observe a bird in flight or hear its cheerful call, take a moment to connect with the magic they bring to our lives. Our marvelous expedition draws to a close, young explorers. We've uncovered just a fraction of the awe-inspiring world of birds, creatures that grace our skies with beauty, grace, and song. The next time you gaze out your window and spot a feathered friend, take a moment to appreciate the marvels they bring to our lives. As you continue your journey of discovery, remember to keep those wings of curiosity unfurled. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share. Don't forget to leave your comment.